Today I'll be hiking to the tropical rainforest in Bali and I'll climb the sixth highest mountain there, Mount Bohen. I'll build my shelter, cook some food and spend the night in the forest completely alone. Clothes, trekking pole, tarp, towel, another towel, knife, folding saw, headlamp, and a sleeping bag that's probably gonna be too big. That's it. It is so annoying having to run back to get the to get the phone. Post 2 baby. It's a fucked up terrain. It's slippery. I think we're here, boys. Oy, oy, oy. Cool. Not your first time here. There are 18. Those people climb a mountain for 3 hours and go pray on the top. And all they bring is, they bring a small bag, only with those stuff that you just saw this guy pray with. This is kind of a gift to gods. They sometimes put food that they're gonna eat, giving back to their god. Cool. Gonna eat, head back and go to the camping spot. Oi, I'm in the tarp. I set it up as a tent. It's 1 a.m. I already ate. Didn't film much. It was raining a lot and I don't have a camera. I just have my phone. So I didn't put it in the rain. So we don't have a lot of footage. Good night. This was my camping spot here. Maybe you can see it, but this is a square that I removed the leaves. I attached my shelter to this tree and I slept here in the woods. Nice. Yeah, boys! Finally! Oh, it's wet. Ooh! Oh my god! 360p quality!